welcome to Eurø Style. My name is Samai. Today I'll be giving you a walkthrough of our showroom. We have Rika behind the camera, and we have 5 different categories. So we have office, bar, dining, occasional, outdoor, which we are expanding. Okay, so starting in the front here, we have our features here. So this is a nice lounge chair. It has a solid ash base. It also comes with the matching stool. They are in stock. And here we have the Foke, which will be arriving in August. So we have the whole collection. We have the dining table, console, coffee table, side table, and the media stand. Here we have a new introduction. So this is our tanning collection. So we have the armchair, counter stool, and bar stool. So these have high performance fabric. So it has a nice padding on the back seat, and it's a steel frame, powder coated. And we have our Albert. So these will be in stock in August. So we also added the coffee table and side table just to make a complete collection. And we have the Melody. This is a new color. So it's in a nice brown glaze. So this is newly in stock. So it has the ashwood frame, bent plywood, really nice design. And right next to it, this is the Ralph, the leatherette, nice stitching on it. It does have the swivel. And this will be arriving in September. Right back here, we have the Monroe. So it has the fabric seat and back, powder coated steel legs. So here we have our Caden. So we expanded this collection as well. So we have the matching table, side table, and coffee table, which will be arriving in August. We just surrounded the Estelle. Nice chair. Here we have our Ronya. These are new in stock. Comes in 2 different colors. There's also the gray. So it has a leatherette. And you see how the frame just flows with the chair. Nice tapered legs. This is a new addition. This is the Alvarado. So this is the 40-inch sideboard. Has the adjustable shelves in 3 different levels. Our Maurice. So it has the ceramic top. And the base is made of ash wood with the steel powder coated connection. And just on the side of it, we have the Felipe chairs. Here we have the Octavio. So we have the side chair and armchair. So what's new is we added these crossbars. Makes it really sturdy. And it is beech wood with a plywood seat. And just back here we have the Bastion. This is a new addition. It comes fully assembled. It's in the same materials. And we'll be getting these in October. We have the Liddell. So we just ordered this recently. So we did order it with the larger top, which is a 42-inch diameter. And it's going to be in stock in September. Just right across here, we have the Blixa. This one is new in stock. Has a nice ashwood frame. Nice padding on the chair. Comes in 2 different colors. This is the natural, and then we also have the black. This is a new color. This is our Astrid bistro table. So it has the black stained ash veneer top, and then the tulip basin matte black blanche. Just received these. This is in stock. So it has the plywood seat, nice bent wood design. Flows really nice with the chair. This is also a new color. This one is in walnut. And it has the leatherette in dark tan. Really nice chair. addition for the Ronya are these nice lounge chairs. It does have a swivel. Comes in 2 different colors. And you can remove the seat cushion. This is our Liddell console table. This is a new introduction. Here we have our Spea. So these are nesting, comes in a set. And the construction is KD, so it is in the oak veneer. We have the Gunda. So the dining table didn't make it, but that is the latest edition. So it's going to come in a 53-inch diameter, and they will be arriving in August. For this section, we have the outdoor. This is our Kalmar collection, and we did also order it in dark gray, and the collection will be arriving in September. We just ordered these. These are the Nansen, which will also be arriving in September. So we ordered it in 3 different colors. So there's the green, black, and also oyster gray, similar to this color. This is the Roscoe. This is a new edition which we just received. And we also ordered the matching dining tables. So there's the 28 by 28 and also the 63-inch version, which will be arriving in September. We have a new introduction. This is the knit. So we have the back added. Really good angle. We have a new introduction. This is the Ava bar table. So it has the steel column and base and matte black powder coating, and our new Melody in brown, which is in stock. And another addition to our Ronya, this is the counter stool. Tapered legs, solid steel eyes. So this one is now in the leatherette, dark gray. This will be arriving in October. Simple. Swivel with the height adjustment. Has a really nice feature to it. Nice design in stock. Adjustable armrests. Adjustable lumbar. And it does have the locking mechanism. Locks in 3 different positions. And we also just recently received it in black as well. So it has the pivoting armrests and also just the height. And also lock it in 3 different positions. So you can see the mesh back. This one is our Casper. And also just the lumbar. This one has fixed armrest, so it has a mesh back with the fabric upholstery seat. And these chairs are our value chairs. They have different proof components. And along this wall here, these are our best sellers. We have the Darcy, Desi, Bungie, Axel, Dirk, also low back, good arm. Latest additions. These are the Philip. So we have them in the low back and the high back. Comes in these 3 different colors. It also has adjustable armrest.